Hello, this is Blake with Standzout. This video will show you how to replace the previous ball and socket setup on the original iProp stand. This process only applies to the original iProp, so if you bought a Standzfree from us, you don't have to worry about it. If you're unsure which model you have, take a look at the back side of the iPad holder. Remove the nut. If there are small teeth that grip the ball, you will need to replace the ball and nut before upgrading to a newer iPad holder or our universal holder. When you order your new holder, just let us know in the order comments that you are converting from the iProp, and we will include a ball and nut at no charge. If there are no teeth, then you will not have to change the ball. To replace the ball, first remove the iPad holder from the stand and set it aside. Take a pair of pliers and turn the ball counterclockwise as shown. Don't be concerned if the ball is damaged by the pliers, since you won't be needing it anymore. Once the ball is loosened and removed, take the plastic nut off as well, and you're ready to put the new setup on. First, slide the new plastic nut onto the gooseneck with the threads facing up. It's very important that you do this before you put the ball on, since it will not fit over the ball. When you're putting the ball on, we recommend using Loctite or other thread locker on the ball and stem before they go on. This will keep the ball in place when you rotate the holder. Place the new ball onto the threads and tighten it down as tight as you can get it with your hands. It's best to let it sit for at least 15 minutes to allow the thread locker to fix. The final step is to place the new iPad holder or universal holder into place, thread the plastic nut, and tighten by hand. The nut should be snug, but there's no need to over-tighten it, as you could risk breaking a nut. That's all it takes to breathe new life into an old iProp. Thanks for watching. Check out www.standzout.com for more information and for the best iPad and tablet stands on the market. Be sure to like us on Facebook and connect with us on Twitter. Thanks.